How to fix KB5065426 file and print sharing not working in Windows 11 24/2. Hello friends, you might be facing the print sharing problems after installing September security patch on Windows 11 24/2. If you want to quickly fix this problem, simply uninstall KB5065426. Follow the steps, click on Start, select Settings, go to Windows Update, click on Update History, scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. Here you will find KB5065426. For that update, click on Uninstall and select Uninstall again. If you want to manually fix this problem, then follow the steps. Click on Start, select Settings, go to Network and Internet, click on Advanced Network Settings, then click on Advanced Sharing Settings. Here make sure that network discovery and file and printer sharing both are turned on. If any of these settings is turned off, then turn it on. Then go to Network and Internet again. Go to your active network, running network. Click on your connected network properties. If public is selected on your system, change the setting and set it to private network. If the issue still persists, then allow guest access through registry editor. Click on search, type registry, click on registry editor, then go to HKey local machine, this one, expand it by clicking on this arrow, system, current control set, then expand services, go to LanmanWorkstation, this one, and expand it, select parameter. From the right pane, find this default value, allow insecure guest auth, set its value to 1. Right click on this value, select modify and change its value data to 1. Mine is already 1. If value data is different on your system, change it to 1 and click on OK. In case this default value is not showing on your computer, then right click and select new following default 32-bit value and name it AllowInsecureGuestAuth and change its value data to 1. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. The next method is check SMB settings. Click on search, type control, click on control panel, click on uninstall a program, then click on turn on Windows features on or off. In the Windows features list, find SMB 1.0 CIFS file sharing support. Check this option and click on OK. SMB 1.0 will be installed. Click on restart now. The issue should be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.